Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. If you encounter the error module not found error, no module named numpy while working in a Jupyter notebook, it indicates that the numpy library is not installed in the Python environment that your Jupyter notebook is using. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. Step 1, check Jupyter Notebook environment. 1. Identify the Python environment. First, you need to check which Python environment your Jupyter Notebook is running in. You can do this by executing the following code in a cell. This will output the path of the Python executable currently being used by your Jupyter Notebook. Step 2. Check if numpy is installed. To check if numpy is installed, next, you can check if numpy is installed in that environment by running Step 3, install numpy. 3. Install numpy. If you find that numpy is not installed, you can install it using one of the following methods. Using pip in Jupyter Notebook, you can install numpy directly from a Jupyter Notebook cell using the following command. Using Anaconda, if applicable, if you are using Anaconda for your Python distribution, you can install numpy using conda. Make sure to run the above command in a notebook cell so it installs in the correct environment. Step 4, verify installation. For verify installation, after installation, you can verify that numpy is correctly installed by trying to import it again. This should print the version of numpy installed. Step 5, restart the kernel. 5. Restart the kernel. Sometimes, after installation, the kernel needs to be restarted for the new packages to be recognized. You can restart the kernel by going to the menu and selecting kernel-restart. Example usage of numpy. Once numpy is installed, you can start using it. Here's a simple example of how to create a numpy array and perform some basic operations. Conclusion. Following these steps should help you resolve the module not found error, no module named numpy issue in Jupyter Notebook. Once you have numpy installed, you can take full advantage of its powerful features for numerical computations. If you encounter any issues during installation, ensure that your Jupyter Notebook is running in the correct Python environment where you installed numpy.